Here's an unboxing for the unique melody Mason FuSang. This is their top of the line set. There's actually a special limited edition version that comes with, I think, like cactus wood or something like that. It gives the name of the item on the side, also the termination that you select, and also the types of drivers that are inside. There's 12 balance armatures and there's one dual bone conduction system driver, like in the MEST inside. So it's basically a 13 driver set. Open it up. You have a nice case. Matches my table very nice, actually. Also looks like ocean right here. This is pretty cool. Who cares? I actually do. Open the bottom, little slide trap door that you've got right here. Let's put that on the corner. Pop this open. You've got item care card in English and Chinese, I believe. And let's go ahead and put that up there. And you've got a unique melody warranty card right here. Put that over there as well. You've got Sedna tips, which I'm a huge fan of. These are the ones that I actually rec to people when they say, what tips should I get? This will make anything fit. Don't really need them with the unique melodies in my experience, but it's nice to have them. You get unique melodies own tips, 3 pairs. So I'm assuming small, medium, and large. Put that over there. And you've got Compli tips, SM, Compli tips, LG, and then in the middle, of course, is the mediums. So we'll go ahead and put that down. So you've got 3 types of Complis. So you've got Sednas, you've got Complis. You've got the magnet clip, which is actually very clever and nice because you can clip this to the top of your shirt, and if you pull out your earbuds to chat with somebody, they'll just hang there and they won't fall down. It's a simple. I know that they use plastic clips for a long time, but I think this is pretty clever and useful, and I actually do use it. And then you've got your always present little nice wipe cloth to keep your expensive earphones nice and clean. Speaking of earphones, they're not in there. Magic of ghetto editing, which is not editing. We've already taken them out so you can get a closer look. This is how they look. You can see the name on the side, Mason FuSang. These are very, very subtle, kind of a purple, the lines that they have, instead of the gold or the amber that they use with, I guess it's gold with the MEST, and you can select custom plates. This is kind of going with the purple. It's got the titanium caps on the top. Then it's got the purple cable. Let me go ahead and lay these down here. It's got a chin slider that actually you've got to move so it does its job instead of just falling randomly. This looks like a collaboration cable with PW Audio again. It looks exactly the same, but they're putting their own name on it. Can we get this into focus? It's called Purple Charm. Here we go. And it's purple. Go ahead and slide that. Cable's nice. It's good quality. And termination. I actually like this cable quite a lot. I like this came on the Mark II by them for the MEST, and it was different from the original cable, and I prefer this one. So this one is purple. Those are the accessories that you get in the package. I'll be doing a full review. Sound impressions. That's the caps. They look very nice. It's a beautiful set. Comes included with everything you need. Easy ears, difficult ears, ears with different sizes on each. Some people got large on left side and smalls on the right, or etc. You're all taken care of whether you like silicone or foams right there. And they look quite nice, so I'll be doing a full review with nice B-roll on the intro, unless something goes horribly wrong. But I've actually already graphed these, and looks pretty brilliant, actually. So that is the Mason FuSang by Unique Melody. They're quite beautiful, actually. There we go. Boom. So review for this will be coming up.
Coming from Queens. Coming.